So do you also want to learn how to create a Gemini bot in just 3 minutes? Then you are on the right video. Hello all, welcome back to Pabbly. What you have to do is you just have to open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/connect in your browser and open the landing page of Pabbly Connect. In the top right corner, you're going to see the option of sign up for free. So click on the sign up for free and you can get a free trial of Pabbly Connect where you can create this Gemini bot for free. In order to do this, you just have to click on the sign up for free button, enter your details and log in inside Pabbly Connect. Once you come on the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, go on this create workflow and then create from scratch. So simply name your workflow. So I'm just going to name this workflow as Gemini bot and then I'm just going to click on this create button. Now you can see this workflow is appearing right over here. You have to click on this add trigger button. Select any trigger according to your own choice. I'm just going to choose it as schedule right over here. I want to schedule this workflow for every day 1 p.m. So I've selected the same and now I'm going to click on this save button. Now you can see I've successfully scheduled this workflow. Now using Gemini, I'm just going to generate some content. So what I'm just going to do is click on this add new action step. For the action application, I am just going to search for Gemini right over here and now I'm just going to choose the same. For the event, I'm just going to select it as generate content and then click on this connect button. Now you can see we have to click on this add new connection and it is asking for the API key. So to get this API key, just click on this Google AI Studio. You're going to find the link right over here in the help text only. Once you click on this Google AI Studio, from the left hand of the side, go on this get API key section and then create API key button. Just name your key, choose the project right over here and then you just have to click on this create key button. Once you click on this create key, it is saying creating a new key, so you have to wait, and once your key is created, you just have to copy the key and paste it right over here in your workflow. Then click on the save button and your Gemini will be connected with Pabbly Connect. And once your connection is created successfully, you just have to enter the prompt right over here using which you want to generate the content. So like let's say I want to generate the Facebook post, so I'm just going to enter the content for the same. As you can see, this is the prompt which I have entered. Like this is the name of my Facebook page and this is the details which I have mentioned right over here. Now choose the model of your choice, select the method as generate content and click on the save and send test request button. Once you're going to click on the save and send test request button, it is going to generate you the content. As you can see that it has generated me my page post content and I can move on further and post it on my Facebook page. Like this, I can generate the content from my LinkedIn account, for my Twitter account and also for my Instagram account and post it further on different platforms. Apart from that, you can create multiple more automations using this Gemini bot. You can generate blogs using Gemini. You can generate product descriptions, add it into your Google Sheets. You can simply set up daily Facebook page automation. Apart from Facebook, you can set up the daily automation for Instagram, Discord, and also you can create multiple more automations like replying to all your YouTube comments. You can post daily blogs on your WordPress and also you can create this agent for free because right now we're offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect and you can create these automations for free today. If you want to learn how to create these automations step by step, you can check out our YouTube video. We regularly upload multiple videos on our YouTube channel related to Gemini automations. You can check them out and learn step by step how to do this. This video was only focusing on how to create a Gemini bot. So as you can see, this bot is created. So go and try this right now because we're offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect. And while trying, if you have any questions, just drop them in the comment section below. My team will help you out. Once you like Pabbly Connect, do not forget this amazing discount coupon code RITYT. It can get you a very heavy discount on the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect. But first try Pabbly Connect and then if you like it, then you can move on further and purchase the subscription plan. If you like the video, do not forget to hit the like button, and for more automation tips and tutorials like this, do subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching everyone.